I'm Kristen Ginaldo from Betelgeuse 2, and my poster is about the climate change. Nowadays, climate change is the biggest problem of the human being. It is already happening and represents one of the greatest environment, social, and economic threats facing the planet. It is clearly clear from observation of rising global mean sea level, widespread melting of snow and ice, and the global average air and the ocean temperatures that can climate system is warming. Since 1850, the average surface temperature 0.76 degrees Celsius. It is quite likely that human activity is to blame for the majority of the warming that happened over the past 50 years. Without additional steps of curb greenhouse gas emissions, and the fourth assessment report predicts that the adventure global surface temperature would rise by another 1.8 to 4 degrees Celsius this century, and in the worst case by up to 6.4 degrees Celsius. The increase in the temperature since pre-industrial times would be take even at a lower end the range as above. Nowadays, there are so many factors that exhale really destructive substance and pollute the air. We all know very well that air is something we can't live without. When we breathe the polluted air, we can get seriously ill. Grounded level ozone can get seriously damage tissue and especially harmful to those with asthma and other chronic lung diseases. Sunlight and high temperatures combined with other pollutions such as nitrogens, oxygens, and volatile organic compounds can cause the ground level ozone increase. We cannot escape from the polluted air. It's everywhere. Even it's in our home, we are breathing it non-stop. This can cause cancer and other serious diseases. We live in this world that we have a lot of time to think some solution that we can do for our universe. While the time is running, we must not abuse the place where we lived. For just throw your garbage in the place that where it belongs, and plant some trees that can help our planet. People have been trying to reduce them, but problem is tropical, and that I think we have to do something like ride a bike, not a car, to work or school. We should take the shortest route possible and plan our drive so that we will not backtrack or travel out of way. We also may choose a clean burning fuel, which reduce ozone forming pollutants, and buy a car that produces fewer emissions, or run using alternative fuel. The taxes of cars should be higher, and most of the people will prefer to use the public transports, and we will no longer have traffic jams, and we will reduce the damaging emissions. And that would be all of my presentation. Thank you. Once again, I'm Kristen Janalo from Betelid 2.